Ano to, duplex? Duplex ba to? Ito, corner and Nara Asmara unit naman po to. Model unit. Dress up. Minimum lot area is 70, floor area is 66, 3 bedroom naman siya, mas maliit. 2 toilet and bath, living area, kitchen, dining area, carport, service area, balcony at lanai. Try natin yung pictures. Yan. Typical lot is area 63 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, kitchen, dining area, carport, service. So, mas malaki yung isa, yung Talia. 4 bedroom yun, ito 3 bedroom lang.
Ito ang corner.